Okay, this is the continuation of the previous videos we've watched. Now the next is resume or CV. So what is a resume? Resume is like a tender, uh like like a file. You get like a file that reviews you, your details, your image, your skills, your experience, your education, and everything about your skills. You get what I'm saying? So just like CV that if you finish in a GR school, they ask you that where is your CV? So it's still the same thing as a resume. You know what I'm saying? So I will teach you how to set up your resume. Okay. This is just a sample of my resume. This is just a sample. So in your resume, make sure you add. So if you want to do resume, you can download Canva app both on Play Store or you can download it on your laptop. It works, Canva app, and it's free. You get so in your resume, make sure you add your real name, your contact details. Please make sure you're writing this down. Your real name, your contact details. Okay, let me just be showing you. Now you can see this is my real name. You can see it here, right? Ajayi Ayomide Young Emis. Okay. So make sure you add it there. Now your contact details, that is your social media username, your phone number, your email address. They are very, very important. Now see my own now. Let me zoom in. You can see it now. This is my contact details. My consider the reason I'm saying that you should use your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Telegram username should be the same. It will be easy to add. You get what I'm saying? Now, since this one now, they are all the same. You get what I'm saying now? They are all the same username for Twitter, for LinkedIn, for Telegram. And even I only change it for Gmail. It's also like almost the same. You get what I'm saying? So add them to it. It is all very, very, very important. Very, very important. That's your so in your resume, make sure you add your contact detail. You get the point. Now the next thing is education. Of course, project wants to see if you're educated, if you are good in communication with English. So make sure you add your education. It's very, very important. You can see my own education. Your education is very, very important. Make sure you add it. Okay. Now next thing is detailed profile about you. Now see my own now. This is my own profile. So you can use any sort of English you want. Intense and well communicated and well coordinated for community for and well coordinated community for cryptocurrency projects with in-depth knowledge of crypto or several blockchains and their ecosystem. You can also use the one I'm using now, but make sure you use different words. You can use synonyms and antonyms. You understand? You can use synonyms of words that are used. It will make it so it will not be like you are actually plagiarizing this thing. You get what I'm saying? Offering 2 years of experience to effective marketing and communication. I have tutored 50 students in cryptocurrency. I can chat in English and French. Yes. So your profile about you, if you are the type that knows how to handle people, write it there. You are the type that know how to write content, make sure it is there. You are the type that know how to code, you are good in coding, write it there. If you are the type that has affiliate marketing or crypto marketing skills, add it there. You get what I'm saying? So it is very, very important to add it there. Now, next thing you should add is your profile, your experience. Like I said, you can use project that no longer existing. You get like some of these projects I've worked for, some of them are no longer existing. You get so you can search for projects that are no longer existing. There are a lot of projects in crypto. You can search for them, and if you have the experience already, you can also add your experience. And also, you can also put Binance affiliates among your experience. Yes, shows that you've been into crypto for a while and you know the do's and don'ts. You get what I'm saying? So add your experience. So if you're adding the experience, make sure you add your the post you put, the token name, the time you used for the project, and then what you did for the project. Like for this Wembley token, I manage the Telegram channel using tools and bots. I remove spam and food as it appears. I made marketing strategies. I ensure good communication with investors. So what you've done for the project, if you have the experience before, make sure you add it there. This is very, very, very important. And if it is Binance affiliate, you can put, I refer people to Binance I teach people on how to trade spot, Binance spot buying and selling. You get what I'm saying? And other centralized exchanges. You get what I'm saying? So that's what this is. Now professional skills, what you can do. You get my own skills, community management. I can trade, I can research, I can market, I can write content and crypto analysis. If you are a content writer, I advise you to download this app, Grammarly. Grammarly. You're a content writer, Grammarly. And see this project, this company, download it. If you're content writing, I use this for my content writing. And whenever I make mistakes in grammar, it always corrects me. So that's a good skill. If I type that is into marketing, if you've not learned about marketing, in this course, there is crypto marketing course there. So you can add it to your skills. You get, and if you want blockchain development, it is still here also. You can add it to your skills. You get what I'm saying? So professional skill, what you can do, you get that that knows how to trade, put it there. You get what I'm saying? So it's very, very important. All these things dey impress po ten tial employer. And please, another thing, if you are using if you are doing your resume, please make sure you use the same font. It will be easy for the project employees to actually read your resume. Like you can see my own now, this is a sample. You can see this is a sample now, and it has different font size. So I advise you to use the same font size for everywhere, you understand, to make it easy to read. Now, achievement or interest. If you've had achievement before in crypto, maybe you've traded for a very long time. Like I see now my crypto interest, I'm interested in DeFi, memes, I do airdrops a lot, and I collect NFTs a lot. You get achievement, you can put, I've referred a lot of people to cryptocurrency, I've uh I've done this, I've done that. You get what I'm saying? It's also good. So make sure, and next thing in your resume, make sure you add your real picture. You can see my own picture. Please make sure you add your real picture. Very, very, very important. Now, next, the last one is your cover letter. Okay, the last two needed is your cover letter. The cover letter is the formal letter which you tender to your potential employee. Which you tender to your potential employee. The cover letter should contain 3 paragraphs. At least greeting. Make sure the greeting is uh short. You can just put hello, then you continue your typing. The greetings, as is what you've done in the crypto space. Paragraph 2 should be what you are going to do for the project, and paragraph 3 should be what appreciation and conclusion. It is always, and the cover letter you're writing is not the kind of formal letter that you're writing address, recipient. No, just type it like you're typing words, but make sure it contains this 3 main paragraph. That's the major thing. And just write, hi, how are you doing? My name is Young Emrys. I have been into the crypto space for over 2 years. I have, for paragraph one, oh, I have been in the crypto space for over 2 years. I have referred a lot of people to Binance. I have traded NFTs. I know how to use decentralized exchange very well. I am good in communicating with investors. That is what, okay. I have done this, I have done that. So, second thing, what you are going to do for the project. Okay, I'm good in communicating with investor. I'll help you to remove food and spam messages as they appear. I'm good in marketing. I'm going to do some marketing for your project. I'm good at shilling for your project. You understand? The last one is the appreciation. Appreciation should be uh thank you for the time to read my cover letter. I am open to hearing from you soon. Get. So that's what cover. Okay, let me try and see if let me try and check for one of the cover letter so you see how it look like. Okay. Why? Okay. Let me just check for things. Okay. I think there's a cover letter here. So one of the projects I've applied to. Now see something now. See the cover letter. Thank you for the opportunity to apply for the role. That is, I've already greeted them. I've managed other projects. That is what I've done. I've improved them on Twitter, Discord, the marketing strategies. I have in-depth knowledge and I've tutored over 50 people in crypto industry. What I have done. Now, what I'm going to do for them, I'll keep your. You can see that March 10th, this was when I've sent the message. Yes, the email when I was seeking for job. I'll keep your community active. Spam and food messages will be removed at the here. I will interact with investors. You get, I'm fluent in English, so I'll communicate well with the community. That is what I have to offer them. And next thing is what? Appreciation. I hope you agree that the type of competitive candidate you're looking for. Thank you for the time to read my cover letter. Simple. So if you are sending mail for job, it is always good to add your resume to it. Get the point. So just that thing part. Now, next thing is comprehensive knowledge in crypto. Very, very important. If you don't know about crypto before, this course already has crypto course in it. So endeavor to watch it. Write an essay on what you've learned so far. Get back to me. Get what I'm saying? So that is it. And of course, I will test your knowledge. There will be an assessment of the crypto course you've learned. You get. Now the next one is skills. In any skills you have before, you can implement it. If you don't have any skills before, you can do community moderator and manager. It is always very, very good. And alas, you with this course, you can develop skills like what? Crypto trading in the crypto marketing course, in the crypto course. You can develop marketing skills, you can develop blockchain development skills. You understand? So even if you don't have any skill before, with this course, you can already develop a skill. Now, next thing is perseverance. You need to persevere. That is the truth. You must not see the truth of getting is not going to be easy. If I'm telling you that okay, uh, immediately you join, no, you get a job. No, that's a lie. Even Nigeria is not easy, or any country getting a job is not. But perseverance, not giving up. The more you persevere, the faster you get your job. You understand? But if you are tired that is not that doesn't love to persevere, you usually get one out. You usually get uh degraded. You usually get demotivated. You get what I'm saying? So that is the tools you need. So in the next video, you'll be watching how to get a job. Thank you.